Hi guys, back from the first test out in Autocross of the S550 steering rack in the Marauder here, and I like it. It's really nice to have a quicker steering ratio, and let me tell you, today was the day to test it. The course designer was, I'm pretty sure, a Miata driver, and it was a very tight course, lots of sharp corners. Um, so I'm still hand over fist in a lot of spots, but not nearly as much as I would have been with the factory steering that came in these cars, which was much more for comfort than it was for any type of performance. Uh, but that being said, it was a good day. Everything worked exactly the way that it was supposed to. I'm very happy with the setup, very happy how it handled. Um, and I know I harp on it, but all these improvements, the 5-speed and the steering, still doesn't change the fact that I really need a better set of tires. These Acceleras were a good kind of entry into a 200 treadwear tire, and they perform better than what I had been running. But I still need a true Super 200 tire, and I'm convinced there's at least a couple seconds in my times from tires alone. So take that for what you will. And reminder, guys, I do have a t-shirt. If t-shirts are your thing, put a link in the comments. Go check them out. These turned out really nice. There's a couple colors available. And leave a comment if you want more colors. You know, maybe I'll run a sale or something on them. Go check them out. Turned out pretty cool. But with that being said, let's get to the action.
What's the ECU?
Factory.
Oh wow.
It's tuned, but it's factory.
Yeah.
I've got a set of custom grind cams and then the TR3650 swap, 410 gears in the rear.
Wow.
But a course like this is just not kind to a big car. Go for it.
That's great.
That does all right.
It's funny. It's riding around in luxury. The cushion of the suspension is a little insane.
Well, and that's what it is now.
Yeah.
It was a couch.
Yeah.
when I first got it.
Yeah. Now it's just a very slidey couch.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
All right, thank you everybody for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the videos. Every little bit helps. But most importantly, guys, have an awesome day.